The first investing app on our list is Robinhood. This is the fintech company that kicked off the commission-free stock trading revolution. Robinhood started out as the newcomer on the block looking to shake things up in the world of traditional finance. Today, they are a publicly traded company with over 20 million users and worth about $30 billion. So what can you do with Robinhood? Well, for starters, they pioneered commission-free stock trading, and that is still one of their headline features today. Robinhood supports fractional investing in over 10,000 securities like stocks and ETFs listed on major US exchanges. Now, fractional investing means you can invest in dollar increments instead of whole shares, and that can be especially helpful with stocks like Microsoft that have a very high share price. Robinhood is the only investing app I've come across that lets you invest in $1 increments with fractional shares. Everyone else seems to be a $5 minimum. Now, in addition to stocks as well as options and even now futures trading, Robinhood also supports crypto investing. They've even rolled out a new crypto wallet feature which allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies to and from your Robinhood account. Recently, Robinhood launched a brand new advanced desktop trading platform called Robinhood Legend, which is designed for active traders that are looking for a more robust trading experience. Overall, you can find almost everything you're looking to invest in right in the Robinhood app. They have a super sleek platform on both desktop and mobile with a great overall user experience. Many have dubbed Robinhood as the most beginner-friendly investing app out there. There are no monthly fees or minimums to use the basic version of the app. The best part is you can also get a free stock worth up to $200 when you open a new account using the link on screen or down below. I'm also going to have all of the bonus offers linked up in the description below, so be sure to check it out yourself. This free stock is going to be a fractional share, and you actually get to choose your free fractional share from a list of 20 leading American companies. Now, I also have an in-depth Robinhood tutorial for beginners that I'm going to put in the corner as well as down below, and I'm going to be doing the same thing for all of the apps on this list. Last detail on Robinhood, they also rolled out retirement accounts in recent years, and this has become a very popular feature. You can open up a traditional or Roth IRA with Robinhood, and each comes with an unheard of match offered by Robinhood. All Robinhood users with a retirement account will get a 1% match on their contribution. So if you put in $5,000, for example, you'll get a $50 match. But if you have Robinhood Gold, which starts out at $5 per month, this comes with a 3% match on IRA contributions. This can be a pretty good bang for your buck, and Robinhood is the only investing app I'm aware of that offers a match on non-employer sponsored retirement accounts.